Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman, and in this video I am going to create the pages in the website. So if you remember in the last video we have created the project, we have started the project, and then we have given like start app, and then we have started the app, and then we have run the server. Okay, so as you can see here we have all of this file, like we have this wsgi, but these all files are not created by me. Okay, so it's actually given by the Django. So if you remember in the last video I have given something like mm, Django python manage.py run server, and then I have given, before that I have given python manage.py start app start project, and then I have given main, something like that, right? So then we have got all of this file. Okay, but in this video in this video I am going to create the pages. So now first of all I am going to run this program. So I am going to give here python. Okay, so I have already this one, python manage.py. I'm going to close this one. So as you can see here I have this python manage.py run server. After that it's showing Django starting development at http/127.0.1. we have all of this. Okay, so now I am going to copy this one. Copy, and then I am going to open my web browser, and then so I am going to paste that link here. Okay, so as you can see here, after giving my python manage.py run server, and then we will be getting the link, and then as you can see here we are going to paste that, we have pasted that link here, and then we are getting the installed worked successfully, congratulations. So we are getting all of these, but on this page it should be blank. So in this blank page I want to show is like, so this is I want to show something, I want to give there some text, I want to add some home pages, about pages, and etc, right? So, and one more thing, if you see here I am going to close this one, and then I am going to stop this one also. Okay, and then I am going to open this one again. I will show you python manage.py run server. Okay, and as you can see here it's showing we have all of this, but if you see here we have quit the server with control break, but below this we don't have anything. So when I have already copied this one, but I am going to follow this link. So as you can see here it's showing all of this, the installed worked successfully we have, but if I am going in the VS Code I am getting this one. So it's showing 6 July at the time 9 minutes 25 9:25 and 21 seconds, and then I have went on this page. Okay, so whenever we are making changes here, or if you give, like for example, if you have created the pages like login page and home page, all pages, okay, but someone opened my website and there I have uploaded for the public the website, and then someone opened my website and then they have went for login there, then I am going to get here this one, that someone has been logging here, and then I will be getting all of their information. So let's go ahead and get started by modifying the files and whatever we want to keep in the browser, like on this page whatever we want to see. So now for that we need to make the changes in the files. Okay, so for that I am going to open my file explorer here. So I am going to click here on this one, and I have this code and I have this my site. Okay, and first of all let's go to the my site, and in this my site we have all of these files like init ASCII file, we have settings, we have all of these files, but let's check here also. So we have these init, we have, so but we don't have ASCII WSGI files, but we don't need it now. So now in this folder we don't have like URL file, right? And I'm going to go back, and we don't have URLs file. So now I am going to go there and copy that URLs file, and now I am going to copy this one. Okay, and then I'm going to paste that in this main. Okay, so as you can see here, it has been pasted, the URL has been pasted. So now I'm going to open this VS Code, and here I'm just going to close this panel. Okay, and then in the my site, or okay, in the my site I have this urls.py, and then we have all of this, like we have this my site configuration, we have all of this multi-line command, so we don't need it just now, so they have been done that. So we have this from Django.contrib import admin, we have Django.urls import path. So first of all we need to, I'm going to include here, I'm going to give here is include path and then comma include. Okay, and now we have this urls patterns. And one more thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this line, and then I'm going to press enter and paste that. And now we have this path. After this, here we don't need this admin, so instead of admin I'm going to give here nothing, and then I'm going to give here include. Okay, include. Okay, include. After that, in the brackets I'm going to give here main dot urls. So it's going to, for example, if we open the page and then we don't have anything in the web browser, okay, we don't have anything, and then we are going, then it's going to the, and then we have given main.urls, then it's going to give the link, something like that, and then it's going to, when we are clicking the link, then it's going to that page, right? So we have this urls dot, we have this path include, and then we have this main.urls. So now here I have added, we have a Django, from Django.urls import path we have given, so we are importing the path already, and then we have given include, so we want to include the main.urls file. So I want to make this all, so include.main.urls file, so it's linking to the file which we have copied from the my site folder to the main folder, right? So now we have modified this urls which is in the my site folder, and now I'm going to open this one, not this one, I'm going to close this one, and now I'm going to open the urls.py which is there in the main. Okay, I'm going to merge this one, and we have this urls.py. I'm going to move this one, and I'm going to close this one. So we have, as you can see here, we have this my site slash that, and then we have here main, which means that this is from the main folder and this is from the my site folder. Anyhow, so we have modified this one, and now we have this one. So now what I'm going to do is, so in this one we have url patterns is equals to, so what we are doing is we are giving here the, we are linking this urls.py to the main urls.py, these two files. So now here we don't need the admin, right? So now I'm going to remove this one, and then we don't need admin, but here we have from Django.contrib import admin, so we are importing the admin, so we don't need this one also right now. And now I'm going to remove this one. So we have from Django.urls import path, and now here I'm going to give here is like from dot import views. Okay, so from relatives. So here what I'm saying is, if you see here in the main file, we have all of these files like admin, we have apps.py, we have admin.py, we have models, we have tests, we have urls, and we have views. So first of all, let's go to the main urls my site. So here we have modified this, and we are linking this to this main urls, right? And then what we are doing is, I'm going to import this from the views.py. Okay, I'm going to modify this file also. Right now I'm going to close this. So we are linking this. So from relatives import views. After that I'm going to give here like app name. App name is equals to the main. Okay, and now we have this app equals to main, and then in this one we have URL patterns, and now I'm going to give here path. In the brackets I'm going to give here this quotation marks, after the comma here, and then I'm going to give here VIE views dot homepage. So we are going to create homepage. Home. Okay, so I'm given here homepage comma name. Okay, homepage comma name is equals to the homepage. Okay, so we have this URLs, we have this path, sorry. So path, then I have given here nothing, so I should give here some homepage, something like that, but I'm going to link this again to the views file. So I have given here views dot homepage, and then name equals to, I want to give the name of the page should be the homepage. And now I am going to open the views, and now in this file we don't have anything, like we don't have we have only from Django. So now I have to here, it's already given, it's showing create your views here. Okay, so we have to write here, and now I am going to modify this one. So now I am going to give here is like we have from Django dot, I'm going to, so now we have this from Django dot shortcuts import render. Okay, so it's rendering the template. So now right now we don't need any templates here. So now I am going to press here enter, and then now I am going to import again, not this one, from the Django. Okay, from Django dot http. So from Django http import is http response. So we have this http response. I'm going to press here enter, and now I have this create your views here, and now I'm going to define the home page. No def home page. Okay, so that's what I have given here in the URLs. I have given name views.homepage. So now I am going to call this, calling this file, and then I am giving the definition, right? And then in the brackets I am going to use here the request. Okay, so we have given from Django.http import http response, then I have given def homepage request, right? And now I'm going to give a semicolon, and now here I'm going to give return. Okay, return h. So I have here used request. So now I will be talking about request later on after some time. So I have this http response, and now in the brackets I can give any text, like so the thing I want to show here is like the place will be blank. So here we can give whatever we want that we want to see on that page, right? So now I want to give wow something Python programming is learning simple. Okay, so now we have wow Python programming is learning simple. So I have given like this. So I have given the double quotation marks wow Python programming. So here what we can do is, now I am going to give here like this one, and then in this one I am going to give a strong strong. So what it's basically going to do, I'm going to say that after some time, and then I'm going to use this here, and then I'm going to give a slash. Okay, RONG strong. Okay, and now I am going to cut this one, and I am going to paste that here. So wow Python programming is learning simple. So now I am going to save this one, save this page. And one more thing I forgot to say you is that we have def homepage request. So how this is going to work in Python is that the request module allows you to send HTTP requests using Python. The HTTP request returns a response objects with all the response data like content, encoding, status, and etc. Right? So now, so here we have this strong. So what's going to do is like it's going to make the things smoother, right? So let's check whether it's working or not. So now I am going to open the, okay, so it's already still running. So now I want to stop this one here, or delete this one and open this one and reload this one. It's going to not reload the page. Okay, I'm going to minimize and then I'm going to run this one. Python management vy run server, and if I'm entering here, pressing enter, and as you can see here it's showing okay. So now let's open this one and paste that. Okay, 127. And one more thing I forgot to say is that we have 127.0.1 0.0.1 slash 1 semicolon. After that we have this 8000. And one more thing we can give here is localhost. Okay, localhost we can give like this also. It's going to get the same thing. So I want to give 127. Okay, so if you see here we have Python programming. Wow, Python programming is learning simple. So now I'm going to zoom in this page, or I'm going to reset this one, and now I'm going to show it here. Okay, so as you can see here, what I have done here is I have given here return HTTP response. Wow, I have given Python programming is learning simple. So Python programming I have given that in the HTML, in these tags, right? In the strong I have given. So that's why it's showing in the bold. And one more thing, if you observe here, while here I have this all of this, right? We have all of this, but after that we have 6th July, we have 2022, and then I am getting the time, and then I am getting all of this. So it will be showing the time that when we have opened that page, and when we have been reloading that page. So anyway guys, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, give it in the comments below, and otherwise I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and thank you, bye bye.